What is important to remember is the following, that when the peak is declining and we suddenly get into the same behavior at, let's say, what we were doing in January and February as a society, it will come back again in a certain way. More of that we do, earlier will be the next wave. And more of that behavior we do collectively, higher will be the wave. What I'm trying to explain to you is something mathematically valid but equally valid by common sense. अगर हम ये सारा व्यवहार एकदम से फिर उसी पे चले जाएंगे जो दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी में था, मान लीजिए एकदम से चले जाएंगे, तो वेव फिर दोबारा जल्दी आएगा वायरस और ऊंचाई तक जाएगा। इसको हम धीरे धीरे अपना बिहेवियर को एडजस्ट करेंगे, टाइट्रेट करेंगे, टाइट रोप वॉक करेंगे, तो वेव छोटी भी होगी, शायद ना भी आए और आगे चलती जाएगी। कहने का मतलब यह है कि वी हैव टू बाय टाइम, एंड वी वांट टू बाय टाइम particularly to ensure that we achieve a high coverage of our vaccination. That's the time we want to buy. And that is the duration of intense discipline that we want to exercise. And that's my appeal today, using a different route of arguments and suggestion and logic. We need to buy time till we, at the soonest possible time, are able to vaccinate large population, and in the meanwhile, continue to enforce the tools that my colleague showed just now: testing, tracking, isolation, self-discipline, wearing mask, avoiding gatherings, avoiding parties, eating together in large groups, and so on and so forth. And of course, system preparedness to face the difficult situation. So remember that the journey is still tough and we have to be responsible. This situation is the result of efforts, and these efforts need to be continued in a calibrated way for us to open up, to try to go back, but at the same time not to allow the virus to overtake us.